Dun, 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 dun. I'm the Amazon rainforest, very few people survive out here, and I'm going to teach you how to survive the strangers. This members as well, the Amazon rainforest. Dun, 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 dun. I'm the helicopter. In a few seconds, the pilot will tell me to jump, and I'm gonna jump. You don't know where to land. Don't have a phone. Don't have anything. Just a parachute. And now what? I need to find food, and I need to go rescue. See you on the ground. Whoop. 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 Drop. 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 Ah. Ah. Oh, drop. 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 Ah. A little rough on the dust mat, but we're good. Let's get this down. Yeah, it's really hard. It's night, and I came late. Let's go. This is very good. This is water. Dirty. You wouldn't want to drink that. Very dirty water. Oh, heavy, clean water. Let's go. Let's go. It's really. Oh, disgusting. Let's go. I'm gonna find some food before it gets night. Put a fire, put some shelter. Look at that. That is some really good plants you can eat. And the stomach hiding in the plant. You can do is grab a piece and eat it. This is really plant, really good to eat. Disgusting. I got my fire going, and this is the fire light bulb. You can invent yourself up there. Careful not to touch this video. But you look at that. That is a beetle. You can eat them, but I'm full already. So I'm doing this in my bed. I'm gonna sit here and sleep. Some shelter. But it's not time to rest. I hear a helicopter, and it's time for me to get rescued. You piece of, you son of a mother beep! You bitch! Come and save me! Finally! Now, time for me to go home. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another episode of Man vs. Wild. Thank you for watching. Juice. Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed the parody video of Man vs. Wild. don't know if you like it, and I don't know if you thought it was funny, but I myself did. This is my video. Anyway, subscribe and make your own parody videos. Bopper. Just play. This is my favorite, one of my favorite shows. Ever since about near getting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.